A mixed English quiz of 40 questions for all levels. Give it a try and check your level. Pick a synonym of family. Answer B, relatives. Which is a synonym of keep? Answer A, retain. What is the opposite of cruel? Answer C, kind. What is the opposite of useless? Answer B, useful. What does pain in the neck mean? Answer C, annoying. What does chip on your shoulder mean? Answer B, touchy. Plural of nurse. Answer A, nurses. What is the plural of pilot? Answer C, pilots. Fill in the missing word. Answer B, he depends on his salary. She reminded us arrive early. Answer A, we are satisfied with our choice. What does UN stand for? Answer D, United Nations. What is the past tense of slide? Answer A, slid. What is the second form of sting? Answer D, stun. What is the common past tense of light? Answer B, lit. Which option is correct? Answer A, equal. How is this word spelled? Answer C, describe. Opposite of dishonest. Answer D, honest. Opposite of high. Answer B, low. What is the opposite of selfish? Answer A, selfless. What is the synonym of capricious? Answer B, fickle. What is the synonym of immaculate? Answer B, perfect. What is the synonym of precarious? Answer A, unstable. What does out of the woods mean? Answer C, out of danger. What does rock the boat mean? Answer A, disturb. What does on cloud 9 mean? Answer D, extremely happy. What is the plural of donkey? Answer B, donkeys. What is the plural of waterfall? Answer C, waterfalls. What is the plural of raincoat? Answer A, raincoats. What is the plural of neighbor? Answer D, neighbors. What is the second form of shake? Answer A, shook. What is the second form of mean? Answer C, meant. What is the past tense of win? Answer A, won. What is the past tense of let? Answer B, let. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. They are proud of their achievements. Which word is missing? Answer B. He apologized for shouting. Which word is missing? Answer A. She agreed to the idea. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Attitude. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Episode. How is this word spelled? Answer B. Necessary. Which option is correct? Answer B. Environment. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.